I will show you how you can deposit USD or dollars on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So the process is very easy and it's actually the same process for any currency, but for this video I will show you dollars. So all you need to do is obviously log into your Kraken account if you haven't done that already, and then you can either deposit by clicking this button, or you can go to transfer and then click deposit. Now this window should pop up, and right here you can choose if you want to deposit with cash, crypto, or even stocks, which is a new option. But for this video we obviously want fiat, which is cash, and then we can choose between any of those currencies. So for this video, if we want to deposit dollars, we will just click this option right here. Then here you got some simple information about the requirements to do this bank transfer, because if you want to deposit dollars, you will need to do a manual bank transfer. So the account names must match, which means that it has to be the same name on your bank account and on your Kraken account. The account type must match, which means that if you have a personal Kraken account, then you can only send money from your personal bank account, and the same thing for the business accounts. And if you are planning to do multiple deposits of the same amount, your transactions might be delayed. So if you want to make multiple deposits, you can consider sending different amounts. If you understand everything, just click on this button, and then right here you just got the details or the information of the bank account where you need to send the money. So you just need to send a bank transfer to the bank account that appears right here, and right here you will see some details about this transaction, like the processing time, which will be from 1 to 5 business days, the Kraken fee, which in this case it's $3, the minimum deposit amount, which is $4, and the maximum deposit, which is 100,000. So you can also try selecting another deposit method if you have any available on your country. For this case, this one is the only one that appears in my case, but if you are using other currency, for example if I try on euros, you might find different payment methods like PayPal or bank transfer. Now once you have your USD or your dollars ready on your Kraken account, you can start buying or converting your dollars to Bitcoin or any crypto you want, and this way you can start trading and investing using Kraken. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.